Here I am. I am back. I was super sick. I was super sick. Fever, high fever, and everything. I want to try not to cough. Um, but yeah, thank you for your patience. My sister was here, which is also into this kind of tea. Our plan was to record things in Spanish and make videos and whatever. And truly, what happened is that I was just sitting down on the couch there with fever, sleeping, waking up, dragging myself around. I thought that I was gonna be able to just flush the flu or whatever it was with tea, but it doesn't work like that. Okay, at some point I was like, I don't have any more tea. I just need to sleep. So there was a lot of the time that I just didn't drink even a drop of tea, which was surprising because I thought I was going to. But that's what happens, you know. You gotta listen to yourself there. But we did have a lot of teas before I could not have any more teas. I showed her different things and all of that, and I realized, a couple of things. I wanted to have a bunch of different things going at the same time, but for someone who doesn't know much, it's kind of confusing. And in terms of how they taste, what they're absorbing, too much information. It's just too much information. So one at a time, like one day per kind of tea at least, and so day for red, one day for black, one day for green, one day for white, and repeat, because it was a couple of days where I did like three kinds of tea, all different. And I think it was fine to see how different tea can be, so that she was able to see, like, whoa, look at this, like really dark shop war and this very light, subtle, but at the same time present fragrance of a green tea, or this white tea, or this very sweet molasses type of flowery phoenix black tea or whatever. So it was good. It was good anyways. Although I realized it was like a one-time thing of doing the whole spectrum, you know. But it was a good example. Um, Also, I added this thing that now my wife says that it's like I have a little store here. But I was running out of space on my china cabinet, the little china cabinet that I have, because I actually started putting my teas in there. By being afraid of just getting them all stinky with food or whatever we were cooking, or I don't know, smokes from sage or stuff like that. So I put them behind glass, more controlled environment there. So all of the hate shots are there, and glass, glassware. All of what is not glassware now goes here, which is not much. I don't have a lot of stuff because I don't need a lot of stuff, and I'm not there yet where I want a lot of stuff. Um, I guess that is subjective because this is a lot of stuff, but you know what I mean. In general terms. Um, Also, I bought another one of these um, little stove thingies, but the thing didn't say anywhere that it was 220, so it was not suitable for 110. Had to give it away. Besides that, I was brewing everything with boiling water. For the most part, it works, but I, for some reason, wasn't able to get the best of this moonlight and white picos white teas that I have. So I decided to just calm down a little bit with that. So instead of just going boily boily like this, we're still bubbling inside. I'll just let it be. It's let it be for a minute. Just drop a few degrees, and then I'll put it in the guy one with the tea or whatever I was doing. In this case, it's not that important right now because I've been brewing this moonlight for quite a bit, and I actually need more temperature now to be able to extract the least bits of it. So I may be on the sixth cup. And it's a good time to show that this is all you need. If you're drinking by yourself, you need a guy one or a teapot in a matching cup, a little bit bigger than that. So you can take all the water out and try not to cough. That's what I've been drinking lately, just light brews, what feels right. Well, thank you. And